Welcome to Research Rocks. Today I am doing one more product and that one is Apple TV, and now more or less I cover entire Apple product, and today I am providing you unboxing which types of project inside this particular Apple TV, and as well as I am provide you demo how to connect the Apple TV in my smart television and how I am accessing the entire related subscription channel. So let's start as a demonstration. So first of all I will show you what is the price of this Apple TV. I am buying this Apple TV in Bilka. This is a huge supermarket located on Denmark, Copenhagen, and I buy this Apple TV around 1699 Danish krona. So we open here first of all the Apple TV box. So look at this. This is a two products only, not so huge. One of this remote, yeah, it's simple. This is a remote. It's pretty very high quality product. This is a Apple TV main. This is a HDMI power cable and the LAN cable. You can connect directly on LAN here and access the internet using this device. And the here small fans also available. Look at this. One power one adapter C type charging cable, but I'm not using this one. This is not make sense to use. So as usual Apple provide you is a very small and compact magic guideline. So what is the features of this project, like a remote and how to connect HDMI CDMI cable and those. So this is not useful, but you can use if you are not understand properly how to connect HDMI and CDMI. So now we will see to connect as my smart television, and we can see which types of function and how exactly operate this Apple TV of my smart television. So let's start as a demo. So now we'll connect as a Apple TV. This is the power cable and put it here in back side here. And second thing, you need to HDMI card. Inside the box HDMI card is also available. So this is my HDMI card. We will fix it here. And power is on. Now I am putting this HDMI card in my television. So now here is Apple TV menu. I start my television here. So here one notification is come. Inside the notification, Bravo HDMI connected here. You just simply click here, and the click point of view here, device connected HDMI cable. So I set up here. The television asking me, is the image display properly? Yes. Setup completed, done. And now here is Apple TV is on. Inside the HDMI menu, now I connect Apple Music, my photos, Apple Store, and so many applications you can install in this particular box, even Prime Video, HBO Max, and so on. So I have an Apple TV subscription, so I just simply open here Apple TV. Now we can choose here Wi-Fi network. My Wi-Fi is connected here, so simply we can check. Now finally entire setup is done. I connect here in this Apple TV in Wi-Fi. So now we can play something as demo point of view. So here you can install a number of applications using your Apple ID and App Store. So now we will, as a demo point of view, I start as Apple TV of mine. I already subscription of this Apple TV. The remote is very sensitive. So here I just play this one of the movie. I already buy this Apple subscription. Movie name is a Finch, like a Tom Hanks movie, one of the best movie, like this clarity. So you can move forward very easiest way and then play. This is the features of Apple TV. So you can buy, connect and enjoy. If you like this product or not, I just buy this product because of this is Apple TV. Now we can see as a new movies, but if you watch this movie, so you can buy like 169 Danish krona or rent per movie price like 49 Danish krona. If you like this Apple TV video and my unboxing, so please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming notification related tech videos or unboxing. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.